There can be only one way to go for this now crucial game against Bermuda tomorrow at the National Stadium. The boys put themselves in this quagmire by their meek surrender against Curaçao. The good thing is, we still have our destiny in our own hands. We should suspend blaming Coach McLaren for his puzzling team selections and his tactical nothingness. We should also suspend blaming the players for missing all those sitters and for such a lethargic start to that Curaçao game. When all is said and done, our duty as fans and our obligation as Jamaicans is to fill up the National Stadium tomorrow night and show the team nothing but love and support. Now, if we do that and the team let us down, then some of us might have to turn to our favorite sponsor of the Reggae Boyz to responsibly drown our sorrows. Or hopefully celebrate a rousing victory that will get us back on track. Yeah.